From a distance, it almost appears to float above the hillside, a simple wooden volume resting on the coastal landscape of Matanzas, Chile. This is the FV house, designed by the Chilean firm Worc Arquitects as a renovation and expansion of an existing house on a steep site facing the ocean. Instead of aggressively reshaping the topography, the project takes a different approach. The main volume is elevated on discrete supports, allowing the house to rest lightly on the slope while preserving the natural form of the terrain. This decision reduces excavation and makes the structure appear almost suspended above the landscape. On the sides most exposed to the wind, the house uses a filtering layer made of lattice screens and opaque elements, which also function as an intermediate space between interior and exterior. The organization of the house follows the direction of the hillside itself. The floor plan develops in a longitudinal layout, following the terrain and orienting its spaces toward the best views of the sea. At the center of the house, a continuous social space emerges, where the living room, kitchen, and dining area function as a single open environment facing the landscape. Large glass surfaces facing the northwest capture the afternoon light and open panoramic views toward the ocean. Circulation is straightforward, almost like a linear path that connects the different spaces while maintaining a constant relationship with the exterior. On one side are the bedrooms, organized as a quieter and more private area of the house. This strategy protects the rooms without completely blocking the connection with the landscape. Wood appears in walls, floors, and ceilings, creating a warm and unified atmosphere that contrasts with the vast coastal scenery. At the end of the day, when the lights turn on, the wooden volume becomes a soft presence on the hillside. More than an isolated object in the landscape, the FV house works as a light structure that rests on the terrain and organizes the way the house opens toward the sea. A simple, precise architecture deeply connected to the place where it stands.